says list the three largest consecutive integers whose sum is at most 39. So I see this is at most. So can it be over 39?
Yes.
If it's the most, it can be a 39. Nope. So it's going to have to be less than or equal to 39. And I need three consecutive integers. So an integer is just a number. Consecutive means what? Consecutive means it's in a row, like 1, 2, 3, or 7, 8, 9, or 15, 16, 17, right? Three numbers in a row, that's consecutive. And it says find the sum. What's sum mean? So I need three numbers I can add up in a row to give me 39. I don't know what they are, do I? So let's say that I don't know what it is, so this one's X. And if I want to go to the next one, how do I get to the next number? How do I get to the next number? Well, if you're at number 1, how do you get to 2? Add what?
Times.
Add 1. So if this is X, this is X plus 1. So if this is X, to get to the next one, I do X plus 1. This one would be what? X plus 2. How many X's do I have up there?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
3 X's. And then I add my whole numbers. So I add my whole numbers. So I say 1 plus 2 is 3. Less than or equal to 39. How do I solve this? Subtract 3. So you have 3 times X is less than or equal to 36. Perfect. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. So you have X is less than or equal to 12. So X is 12. So anywhere I see an X, I'm going to put a what? 12. So right here I put a
12.
Right here I put a
12.
Right here I put a So what's this one's 12. What's 12 plus 1? And what's 12 plus 2? So if you add 12, 13, and 14 up, does it give you 39?
Yes.
Are they consecutive?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so if you have a teeter-totter, the heavier person usually goes up or down? Down. So this guy must be your heavier guy, right? So if you have 6a plus 2, you have to eat your bigger number, 2a plus 6. I need to put all of my a's, when I have an inequality, which an inequality just means you have a greater than, less than sign. When I have inequalities, I want to put all my letters on the left and all my numbers on the right. So if this separates my two problems, I need to put 2a on the left. How do I move 2a to the left? Subtract 2. Remember, I don't divide, it would break them apart. 6a minus 2a is 4a, and then you're left with a positive 2. You're left with a sign, and you have a 6 on the right. I need to get that positive 2 over to the left. So I minus 2. So it leaves you with 4a. This canceled out. Your sign, 6 minus 2 is 4. How do I solve for a? Break them apart, you divide. So a, your sign, 4. So if you graphed it, oh, sorry, not 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. If you graphed it, you would circle 1. Which way would it go? To the right. Erica must tutor a minimum of 20 hours per week. Can she do more?
Yes.
Yeah, she has to do 20 hours. So I know it's going to be greater than or equal to 20 hours. In order to remain in National Honor Society, she has a student that tutors for 5 hours every Saturday. She's not available for tutoring on Sundays. What is the least she can work each weekday if she wants to work the same amount each day? So she tutors for 5 hours on Saturday. She does not tutor on Sunday, how many days of the week are left? How many? 5 days of the week left. So over the next 5 days, how many hours does she have to tutor each day? How do I get 5 over there with 20? Subtract 5. So that canceled out. You're left with 5 days. So if you divide by 5, how many hours does she have to tutor each day? 3 hours a day. So in this, you have to write your own word problem. Does anybody have a word problem that would fit that? Anybody want to volunteer? A word problem for 30 times H equals $120.
She has to work 30 hours.
Okay, so she works 30 hours. Then what? She makes how much money?
120.
She makes 120. So how much does she make?
Per hour.
Yeah, how much does she make per hour? So you have to just write your own word problem.
Oh.
Number 7 says find 3 consecutive odd integers with the sum of 27. So I have 3 numbers. What's the word consecutive mean?
Repeating.
Not repeating.
Not the same.
Like not the same. Following after each other. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all consecutive, right? So if I need 3 consecutive odd numbers, that would be like 1, 3, 5. Right? Yes? Yes, we talked about it yesterday. So do I know my first odd number? No. How do I get to the next odd number? I can't add 1. Yeah, if I added 1 to it, I would be at an even number, right?
Yes.
So I'd have to say the odd number plus 2 would give me another odd number, right? And then it was x plus 4. How many x's do you have?
3.
And then 2 plus 4 is,
6.
can you go from there?
Yes.
Okay, real quick, let's look at 8. Another 3 consecutive odd numbers whose sum is less than 64. Can it be 64?
No.
It's got to be less than 64. So I'm going to make it easy for you and say a number that's less than 64 is 63. Is that right? So when you do this one the same type of way, it made it easier for you to say, well, a number less than 64 is 63. Set the equations equal to each other. So the green line is 28. You have your equal sign. The black line is J plus 10 plus 2J. In the black, do I have any like terms? J and 2J. So what's J plus 2J? 3J. So you have 28 equals 3J plus 10. I need to get 10 over there with 28.
You minus.
Minus 10. So you're left with 18 equals 3 times J. How do I solve for J? How do I solve for J?
Divide.
Divide. 18 divided by 3 is?
6.
Let's check it. If J is 6, 2 times 6 is 12. Is 6 plus 10 plus 12 give you 28?
Yes.
So it works. They want you to set it equal to each other. So you have 32 for the top line equals H, a negative 4, a positive H, positive 14 on the bottom line. What like terms do I have on the bottom?
You have H, maybe 4.
This H and this H, which gives me how many H's? 2 H's. I have a negative 4 and a positive 14. When I combine them, what do I get? 10. Now I need to move 10 to the other side.
You would subtract.
Subtract 10. Remember, I add or subtract to move stuff from side to side. Now I need to break 2 and H apart. How do I break them apart?
Divide.
You divide.
I'm touching.
H is 11, so let's check it. 11 minus 4 is 7. H is 11. So it's 7 plus 11 plus 14 give me 32.